6 months in, and you just hit the wall. Your CrewAI setup cannot handle stateful loops. Your LangGraph graph works, but nobody on the team understands it. Every one of these frameworks works. The question is, which one works for your problem? I have built production systems with all three. 3 questions, 6 minutes, let's go. You need to understand how each framework thinks. LangGraph thinks in graphs. Nodes are functions. Edges are transitions. State flows through. Maximum control. You define everything. You see everything. CrewAI thinks in teams. Agents have roles, goals, backstories. Tasks get delegated. Maximum speed. Describe your workflow in plain English. Ship in 20 minutes. AutoGen thinks in conversations. Agents send messages. One writes code, another runs it. Maximum flexibility for iterative, code-heavy workflows. Same problem. Completely different mental models. That difference is everything. LangGraph is the most powerful and the most demanding. You define nodes, edges, and state explicitly. Nothing is hidden. This is what makes it production-grade, pause, resume, branch, retry, any node. Built-in human-in-the-loop. Full Langsmith observability. State persistence. The trade-off? You're writing infrastructure, not just prompts. Choose LangGraph when you need complex branching, state persistence, human approvals, or when you need every token traced run in production. CrewAI is the fastest way to go from idea to agent by a mile. 3 agents, researcher, analyst, writer, assign roles, set goals, add tasks, done. No boilerplate. You think in people, not nodes. That's why CrewAI took off in 2026. Non-engineers can actually use it. Use CrewAI when you need delegation, content pipelines, research workflows, or when you need something working today, not next week. AutoGen takes a completely different approach. Agents talk to each other. The magic: one agent writes Python. Another executes it. The result loops back. Write, execute, observe, fix. That feedback loop is AutoGen's superpower. The weakness: conversations can drift. You need guardrails in production. Choose AutoGen when you need code generation, data analysis, scientific workflows, anything where iterative code execution is the core of the task, not a side tool. 3 questions, answer them, and you have your framework. Question 1, do you need complex, stateful workflows, branching, pausing, resuming? If yes, LangGraph. Question 2, does your task map naturally to human roles and sequential delegation? If yes, CrewAI. Question 3, is iterative code generation or self-correction the core of the workflow? If yes, AutoGen. And the honest answer most production teams reach in 2026? Prototype in CrewAI. Migrate to LangGraph when you need to ship it. Use AutoGen when code execution is the heart, not just a tool. Same task, research, analyze, write a summary report. LangGraph, 4 nodes, state dictionary, conditional edges, graph compile, about 120 lines. CrewAI, 3 agents with roles, 3 tasks, 1 crew kickoff, about 35 lines. AutoGen, group chat with 3 conversational agents, a manager coordinates, about 50 lines. Same output, same result. Wildly different developer experience. The best framework is the one your team can actually reason about and maintain. Here is the honest summary in 3 lines. LangGraph, maximum control, maximum complexity. The production choice. CrewAI, maximum speed, intuitive model. The prototype choice. AutoGen, maximum flexibility for conversational and code-heavy workflows. Code samples for all 3 frameworks are in the GitHub link below. Ready to fork. Next video, I build the same production agent, but in CrewAI. You'll feel the difference. In the first 5 minutes, subscribe so you get it the day it drops.